Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to sign up for the Amazon Affiliate Program. First, open Google Chrome and search for Amazon Associates. Next, click on the link that says Amazon.com Associate Central. Amazon Associates is one of the largest affiliate marketing programs globally. It helps content creators, publishers, and bloggers monetize their traffic by promoting products from Amazon. With millions of products available, associates use simple link building tools to direct their audience to their recommended products and earn commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. Join the thousands of creators, publishers, and bloggers already earning with the Amazon Associates program. You can share millions of products with your audience using customized linking tools designed for large publishers, individual bloggers, and social media influencers. Earn up to 10% in associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs with competitive conversion rates to maximize your earnings. Scroll down to find more information about the program. Now click on the Sign Up button. Here select Create your Amazon account. Enter your name, email, and password. Confirm your password by entering it again. Finally, click on Create your Amazon account to sign up for the Amazon Affiliate Program. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.